Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning tools with the Kica Jet Fan 1.0 electric air duster. This isn't your average air duster, it's the best Kica Jet fan available in the market. Let's kick things off by highlighting the key features of the Kica Jet Fan 1.0 electric air duster. It's mini, portable, and smaller than your phone, making it convenient for various uses. This multifunctional tool can clean computers, keyboards, instruments, and more. It's also perfect for drying hair, shooting equipment, and even inflating balloons and outdoor cushions. Are you into photography? The Kica Jet Fan can help blow a model's hair during photo shoots, eliminating the need for bulky blowers and electric fans. When it comes to craftsmanship, the Kica Jet Fan doesn't disappoint. With 4 adjustable levels of wind speed, reaching up to 11.5 meters per second, you can customize your cleaning experience. We've compared the Kica Jet Fan to other air duster options in the market, and this sleek, powerful tool stands out due to its premium build and superior performance. With options in various colors and a guarantee of quality craftsmanship, the Kica Jet Fan is a top choice for those looking for a reliable cleaning tool. Now, let's see the Kica Jet Fan in action. Watch as it effortlessly removes dust and debris from hard-to-reach areas, showcasing its versatility and power. From inflating balloons to cleaning keyboards, the Kica Jet Fan is a must-have tool for anyone looking for a reliable and portable air duster. As we wrap up our review of the Kica Jet Fan 1.0 electric air duster, it's clear that this product stands out as the best Kica Jet Fan available in the market. If you're in need of a powerful, portable cleaning tool that delivers exceptional performance, look no further than the Kica Jet Fan. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.